Yarny friends, it's Dawn from Ninja Bunny Crochet. Today I have for us my Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club for February 2023. I know it's beginning of March, but I just got this in the mail the other day and I wanted to show it to you. But first I want to show you what I got finished on my January of 2023 Crochet of the Month Club. But before we jump into everything, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that little icon right down there in that corner. That will subscribe you to my channel. And if you like content like this, give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you like my videos. And it also helps me gauge what type of content you like to see on my channel. So, for Mary Maxim, this is a crochet subscription club. It's $9.99 for your first month plus shipping, and each additional month is $16.99 with additional shipping. I believe it's $4.99 for the shipping. I pay a total of like $21.98, something like that. I will put all of that information in the description box below and a link to Mary Maxim so that if you want to go ahead and check it out, you can check that out and sign up if you'd like to. So, for last month, if you saw my video, let me get my pattern out here. It was this really super cute bag, and it had this interesting stitch called a modified single crochet. So I had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out that stitch. So this is basically my interpretation of what they were saying. I had trouble because all of the photographic examples that they had on there were backwards. Now, what I mean by backwards is the hook was coming in from the left. And I'm right-handed, so my hook should be coming in from the right. So I can actually really sympathize or empathize with left-handed crocheters because this to me looks like a left-handed picture, and I was like, okay, so where do I put my hook? And I really didn't find anything out there that really explained what they were saying about this stitch. And it looked like it was going through the whole fabric to make the stitch. So to me, it looked like more of a drop stitch. So that's what I was doing instead. So my stitch doesn't quite look like the close-up view that they have of the stitch. But it still works, and I'm happy with it. So, but I got the bottom part of the bag done. This is not completely done. This is about 2.5 inches. So I got another about 2 inches to go. This is from the first skein, so I have another skein. So I got to put about another 2 inches on here, and then I can switch to the next color. So that's how much I got done on January's. So now let's jump into February's. So February's is called the Smitten Kitten Pillow, which is super, super cute. Let me try to get it without the glare. And what I really like too about Mary Maxim is they all come with these really cute zipper bags. They're perfect for keeping your project in them. So this is the pattern. This really nice kitty pillow. And it looks like it's pretty easy. I mean, we do have a magic circle, but I'm sure if you don't know how to do a magic circle, you could probably just do like a chain 2 or a chain 3 and slip stitch into it to make the pieces. And I will admit I'm terrible at amigurumi, and this pretty much is made like any other type of stuffy. So more than likely I will hand this off to my daughter-in-law and have her make it. So we have some black yarn for the details. This looks just like some worsted weight black yarn. Very soft, nice yarn. And then we have some Red Heart Hygge yarn. Now I did open this up earlier because I did start the recording, but I forgot to turn one of my lights on, so I had to redo the recording because it was kind of dark because I didn't have my light on. So we have 3 balls of Red Heart Hygge in hot pink, which this yarn is super soft. It is fuzzy and super, super soft. Very pretty yarn. And it's a bulky 5. Each one of these skeins contains, where's the information? 5 ounces, 141 grams, 132 yards, 121 meters. And again, like I said, it's a bulky 5. It is 70% acrylic and 30% nylon. I love this yarn. I made, years ago, I made a hooded scarf with this yarn that I use when I take my dogs out, and it is super, super soft. So this is going to make a really, really nice pillow. And like I said, I'm going to pass this on to my daughter-in-law and have her whip up this pillow for everyone to see. So hopefully next month I will have the pillow, the Smitten Kitten pillow done, and my the bag done, the crochet bag. So I will have both of these done for you to see, and March's kit as well. So again, if you're interested in Mary Maxim, I will put a link in the description box below for you so you can go check it out and sign up if you're interested. I really do like Mary Maxim's Crochet of the Month Club. I think it's a really good value. Like I said, some months you're going to get a really good deal, and other months not so much. But so far this year, I think you're getting a pretty good deal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting! Bye-bye!